Hey guys, for this video I want to do the full review of the Android L keyboard here. I have on my new Android beta on the Nexus 5, so let's check out the Hangout app and let's reply to this MF. Okay, so this is the new keyboard and personalization is on. Touch for the info. Okay, you have the Google keyboard, uses data from Google apps and services from Google. Okay, so we have this swipe thing. You can swipe to type everything. Also, we have here a lot of smileys, just like the WhatsApp. Also, we have the space bar here. Cool little space bar and grayish color. Also, the text look good. This little bit vibration is on, so vibration is annoying. You have to turn off if you want more battery life. So also you can have the numeric keyboard here. So I mean, it looks awesome. It looks awesome just because of its new theme and with the combination with the new touch buttons here, the circle, the square, and this arrow. It looks awesome. So I'm pretty much impressed by this new Android L keyboard, even though it don't come with that much kind of innovation, but still it has the new theme, the new optimization. It is faster as compared to the previous one, because sometime the previous one on the KitKat was a little bit slow, and also there's no typing lag that we got on the 4.4.4. I think my Nexus 5 is the only Nexus 5 that got that problem, especially when writing messages in some other third-party SMS apps. So I hope that will be fixed here. So yes, a quick little video review of the Android L keyboard. I will be making a video about how to get it on your Android device other than the Nexus 5, on S5 or any other device you have. My Galaxy S5, I will be installing it on it, and I'll be reviewing it pretty soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next one. Peace out. I'll be putting the link in the description. Yeah.